Hi everybody, I'm GiGi of GiGi Eats Celebrities and ow! Oh my god, that really fucking hurt.
Clean it up, shithead. Hi, I'm Landon of Landon Vacuum Celebrities.
Do I have bald spots?
Uh-huh.
I got sucked, everyone. I got sucked. And speaking of sucked, we are going to be sucking down some baby food today.
All right, John, if you have enough vamp, let's get right into the video.
This is Serenity Kids baby food, super clean products. And we're gonna open up this organic butternut squash and spinach with avocado oil.
Today's rating system is based on weather. If it's a wonderful, tasty product, it's a nice, warm, sunny day. If it tastes like cow's butthole, uh-oh, raining outside, all the way to, oh no, it's a twister, Annie.
So basically, if it's good, it's sunny. If it's crappy, it's raining.
You get way worse than rain, John VF. You get your whole house sucked away.
Yikes.
Yeah.
I like it. I would suck the shit down.
To me, it's a drizzle. It's a pretty light drizzle.
For me personally, that's like a cloudy day. Ooh, chicken.
All right, guys, we got 100% free-range chicken.
What else is it mixed with?
Organic peas and carrots. There you
right.
go. It is a little Forrest Gump meal. Goes together like peas and carrots. Hi, Jenny. Hope you don't get AIDS.
Huh?
Tastes like sawdust.
What the fuck?
What the farts?
I agree with you in that.
You've never chopped down a tree. When I use
Yeah, but I've inhaled it. Yeah, I'm gonna interrupt you.
When I've used a chainsaw and I've chopped down a tree, and you get the particulate in your mouth and it tastes like sawdust. Or if you like walk through the aisles at Home Depot.
That's where I've tasted it, at the Home Depot. That's a drizzle in my mind.
It's a thunderstorm. The skies are dark. We got 100% grass-fed beef. Is it grass finished? Who knows?
Well, if it says 100%, that means it is.
There you go. Made with organic kale and sweet potato. It's 5 megagrams of protein.
I'm stoked because I love sweet potatoes. I do.
Shut up, baby. Take your medicine. It tastes like a really, really bland meatloaf. This is a drizzle.
I think that's a cloudy day for me. Ooh, salmon! Salmon, everyone! I'm so excited for this one. Woo! Made with organic butternut squash and beets. I have never had beets before in my life. And did you say why? You're speaking to the salmon queen here.
It's pouched, eviscerated salmon.
Oh, the aftertaste.
Oh, no.
That aftertaste kicked you in the face, didn't it?
It's like a salmon swam upstream to come in my mouth.
And then it died.
It's a hard rainstorm.
I feel like I have it in my teeth right now.
I feel like it's in my hair.
For me personally, I think that's a cloudy day.
Ugh, buttholes. Okay, we got organic squashes. What is it? It's made with kombucha squash, butternut, pumpkin, and olive oil. Go ahead. Want another hit? No. Is it that good?
I like it.
Yeah.
But I don't know that we have the same taste buds. I feel like if I put a little sweetener in there, it could be like pie. If I was a baby, I wouldn't hate it.
Yeah, this one tastes like the most not terrible nothing that I've tasted so far.
Terrible nothing.
Not terrible nothing.
A not terrible nothing, everyone.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not running to the beach and hitting the waves because it's so warm and the water's refreshing. This is like a chilly fall day where you need a light coat, but you forgot your light coat.
Ooh, I love those days.
So you're cold.
Yeah, but then I just take your jacket.
Dang it.
You're gonna do
I
it.
want to just shove this whole packet and just...
But what is that one?
It's sweet potato and spinach.
Ooh, that's what I eat like every day.
That one tastes even more like nothing. The closer you can get to like a neutral flavor with these things, I think the better.
This, to me, is partly cloudy with a little more sunshine than clouds.
That to me is a chilly day. You have your coat and you probably don't want to go outside even if you could. And also, there's a salesman at the door.
Do we want to do the roots or the bacon?
Roots, let's save the bacon for last.
All
because
right.
apparently you can never go wrong with bacon. Let's see if you can go wrong with this bacon.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I don't like it.
It's very sweet.
Oh,
It's the beet. It's the beet. I'm gonna see Landon sitting on the couch sucking those babies down as opposed to eating chips.
Shut up. So have you ever been to the grocery store and seen those root vegetable chips?
Yeah.
This tastes like a liquefied root vegetable chip.
Is that a good or a bad thing?
This is a cold day. You get your coat, you go outside, and you make your best of it. You're outside, though. Yeah.
So I feel like that one's kind of the best one so far.
That's correct.
Whoa, baby. Let's see if the bacon can change your mind.
It's not bad.
Landon's so gonna snack on that, I promise.
No, I won't, but it's not bad.
You-
No, because it's still a cold day out. Let's talk more bacon. Oh, and you hate pork.
I do not eat pork. I hate it, but this is free-range pork, so I'm gonna give it a little.
You got so much. Oh, it's thick. Be nice if we added some bacon bits into this so it's crunchy.
What if I like mix some eggs? Or what if I put this in eggs and made scrambled eggs for you?
This one is a cold winter's morn where you don't want to go outside.
That one to me is kind of what it's doing outside right now. It's drizzling. Well, why don't we do a comparison real quick of, okay, well, Landon wants to try this one. This
Tell
one
about
is
this.
organic blueberry and banana baby food by Earth's Best Organic.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you get your sucking skills going.
That's
the best.
I'm going to the beach. I'm having a nice time. But let's compare it. The blueberry has 15 megagrams of sugar, and this one has 4 megagrams of sugar.
I don't know why you call them megagrams. It's just grams.
Because I'm endearing.
Cute.
It tastes like a blueberry and a banana had sex with each other. And then this one tastes like a root vegetable farmer kissed you open. We'll see you next week.
Bye! Feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, follow Landon because he has a YouTube channel. He's good golf, bad golf. You know you want to watch that shit. And maybe he'll incorporate some of this bacon baby food into his next video. You never know.